Hey again, it's Callum from Turmeaus Chester, and today I'm sampling a bowl of Germains Rich Dark Flake. Now, I can't believe I've not done this tobacco yet in one of my reviews. I had to go back through our YouTube page looking, because I could have sworn I would have done it, because it's genuinely one of my favourite tobaccos, and it's hugely popular generally from customers and looking online on Facebook groups. And frankly, I will take any excuse to have a bowl of this when I can, so the fact I've not actually done a video review yet astounds me. Apologies if it turns out I have. So if I have already done one and I missed it, here's another one. So long-term fans of this blend might notice it's now in a tin. That's a relatively recent addition. It was previously just available in pouches. We also do another version of it loose, but it's not the Germains version. It's a slightly different version. But I should probably talk about the actual tobacco. So this, its beauty is in its simplicity. It is a combination of air-cured and Virginia tobaccos. They're very, very dark, going straight into like the black side of the spectrum, which are then pressed into a very attractive flake. Right, I always struggle to get this properly in frame, so do forgive me if it's out. But you can see it's a relatively thick flake, primarily very, very dark, with some nice chunky lighter brown flecks in there. With this sort of thickness, you can often get too much moisture, but once again, just adding to this tobacco is a perfect moisture level, where I've broken this down into a fairly thick cut, put it straight in my pipe and lit it, and I've not needed to touch it up, I've not needed to relight it, it's just burnt perfectly. Alright, I've already said quite a lot about this, but I haven't actually mentioned the aroma or the taste yet. So the main thing I get from this is treacle, especially in the smell. It's like just a whiff of beautiful, rich, obviously treacle tart when you stick your nose in. It's a little bit sort of chocolatey at times. There's, according to the tin as well, a lot of people say molasses sort of character to it, but hopefully that gives you that idea of something that's really nice for pudding, but is really sort of sticky and satisfying and not sickly, which is quite an achievement I always think as well, but it's definitely going to hit a sweet tooth very, very nicely. It's kind of balanced out by some of the other characters in there though, because at times it can be a little bit earthy and a little bit woody as well, just so it's not completely bombarding you with sweetness. And it's one of those blends where I feel something often like pops up just on like the odd puff. You'll get a little hint of something that you didn't notice before. Like as I was walking in front of the camera having my first, well not my first, but the taster puff I have on camera, I got a little hint of like a floral edge to it as well, so it's really, really varied in quite a well balanced way as well. Strength wise, it's certainly on the stronger side. As always with these videos, I'm doing this in the morning before the shop's opened. I've not eaten very much. Nicotine not completely knocking me over, but it's not something I'd say smoke first thing in the morning. It's certainly got enough of a nicotine side of it to warrant something else, but it's not one that you couldn't use as an all day. And certainly, like even after breakfast, I'd say this would be a pretty approachable blend. So all in all, as you've probably guessed from my excited ramblings, I really, really rate this blend. If it's one you've not tried yet, it is something of a must. As I say, it's very well regarded among the online pipe smoking community from what I've seen, and it has my absolute recommendation. So if you do want to give it a try, it's available as always at turmeaus.com. If you do try it, hope you like it. Don't forget to let us know what you think. As always, if you like these videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more in future. Until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Cheers.